Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. In today's video, we are going to do Kryptonite by Kripton Fireworks. This is a 9-shot cake that says it has golden crown with neon and orange, golden crown with blue, golden crown with chrysanthemum crackles, finale with golden crown with neon red, orange, blue, and crackles. You all know I love crackling. I love colors. I did think by looking at this, the color of the packaging, even the name of it, I thought this was going to be a cake with a lot of green in it. So I'm actually kind of surprised reading the performance on the side. But I've wanted to light off more Krypton since I've tried the Death Punisher canister shells. I wanted to explore a lot more of their cakes. So this is 9 shots over 20 seconds, an 8 loudness, straight up firing pattern, and it says it goes medium height. So I'm going to prep this up, bring it out back, and let's light this up and see, is Kryptonite our weakness that we have to buy more of this, or do we just kind of want to pretend we're Superman and avoid it?